Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2010 Mathematics Past Question 7. Evaluate 81 over 16 raised to the power of minus 1 over 4 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of minus 1. A 1 over 3, B 6, C 3 and D 1 over 6. Now we have to evaluate this question, this expression. We have 81 all over 16 raised to the power of minus 1 over 4 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of minus 1. Now looking at this from indices, when you have anything raised to the power, when you have a negative power, it simply means what? Like from indices we have that a raised to the power of minus n is equals to what? 1 all over a raised to the power of n. This is the law in indices. So this negative power simply means what? 1 over. So from this we can simply say, well, this is 1 all over 81 over 16. It's 1 over 16 raised to the power of what? 1 over 4. Then multiply by 1 over 2. Now from this also, from indices, when we have a raised to the power of n over m, it simply means what? The m root of a raised to the power of what? N. So now we'll apply it here also. Now since we have 81 over 16 raised to the power of 1 over 4, it simply means what? The fourth root of what? 81 over 16 raised to the power of 1, then multiply by what? 1 over 2. Now this will give us what? The fourth root of 81 all over the fourth root of 16 multiply by 1 over 2. Now the fourth root of 81 is equals to what? Is equals to 3. The fourth root, now I forgot to put my 1 here, that is 1 all over. Please don't forget 1 over, and here too 1 over. That's this negative. Remember we did it like this, 1 over. So we now have what? 1 all over. The fourth root of 81 is 3, and the fourth root of 16 is what? 2. Then multiply by 1 over 2. So this will give us 1 all over 3 over 2 multiplied by 1 over 2. Now 1 over 3 all over 2 is the same thing as saying what? 2 over 3 multiplied by 1 over 2. Now how did I do this? This is the same thing as saying 1 divided by 3 over 2, and that is equals to what? 1 multiplied by 2 over 3. So that's how we got this 2 over 3. So multiply by 1 over 2. Now this 2 we cancel this 2, so we have what? This is equals to 1 all over 3, which is option A. So option A is the answer to this question. Remember I told you that this negative sign represents what? 1 over, which was what you did here. 1 over that followed it. So the answer is 1 over 3. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.